Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile in this 2012 Land Rover Discovery. So from any screen, you can just go to phone, or you can go to home menu. But if you go to home menu, it says there please connect phone. If you click on please connect phone, it shows you the phones that are connected, just like it did when we went to the other screen. So Barry's iPhone 12 Pro there isn't a phone that can be connected, but it's not. So when there's nothing connected, it comes up with that screen, and then delete. Delete Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, yes. That's it, don't get any simpler.